purple worm. Let's see. Little June bug. See what goes on here. Man. Whoa! Whoa! That was cool. Look at that. Gross. Caught a Sasquatch. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, he got off. He ain't little. Oh, he ain't too little. Oh, he got away. Probably barely stuck. And then I bet that alligator's gonna come over here and be like, hey, what's going on? Oh, no. Of course I hook up. Oh, he come over here now. Oh yeah, he's coming. Look at him! Look at him! Look at him right there! Oh, oh! Look, he's chasing me. What you gonna do, boy? You coming out? Oh, oh, oh! There he goes. No. No. Your kind ain't welcome. Got one of them Super Mario mushrooms right there. Ain't that something? Don't eat that. You got something. Another little dinky. Just look at that. Just barely hooked. Thank you. Ah, here comes another one. Sweet, 2 of them. God, I hate those things. Now, I think with 2 of these guys, I might, I'm about getting out of here.